governments around the world are now recognising that peatlands really are important, although, as far as we know, they only cover about 3% of the Earth's land surface. They do occur in pretty much every country across the planet, and they contain more carbon stored in this long-term archive of preserved plant material than all the world's vegetation put together, including rainforests. Within this REF, the particular areas that we were very active in were helping to develop policy at both a global and a national level, but also to be helping with actual casework. We were helping the Government Wildlife Agency for England, Natural England, with a particularly contentious case where a peatland was being dug up for horticulture to put the peat into grow bags, but the site had been identified as a European important site. So Natural England had essentially said, well, look, you must stop extracting. The developer had said, well, all right, but we'll stop, but we need compensation. And the initial claim for compensation was close to £90 million. That was based on a formula that the developer had come up with and they claimed was industry standard. So we were brought in by Natural England to examine this industry standard, to examine all the data and actually carry out our own analysis of the whole process. And in the end, we showed that this industry standard, A, didn't exist, and B, the number that they were using was completely wrong. So in the end, the case didn't actually go to court. They capitulated at the last minute, and we ended up saving the public purse at least £50 million, which goes a long way with public services.